trained to learn and what not. What I perceive is that it is not a rocket science to understand that AI is not working spontaneously. We, humans, are the creators of AI, and thus we have the responsibility of how we are designing it. Understanding the concept, my eyes were caught by an article in which artificial intelligence was compared to a growing kid and a pet animal. I quite agree with this statement, as just like how a pet animal and a growing kid learns from its surroundings, it is the same with AI. We need human oversights everywhere. Just like how AI is made with programming and algorithms, so naturally, if the wrong data is introduced to AI, it will act upon how the data is prescribed to it. Let me give you the specimen for it. A chatbot named Tay was introduced by the well-known Microsoft company on March 23, 2016. It was launched on Twitter and was learning from the community's comments and ideas. Unfortunately, most of the tweets were full of inflammatory language, which results what an AI did next was a blow for a blow. It had to be shut down because of its chaotic behavior towards the community within 16 hours of its launch. Without ethics in AI, it can lead to significant problems. In autonomous vehicles that have a brain of their own and lead us to our destinations, they can lead us to life and death situations without having any accountability. It amplifies biased results, leading to unfair treatment in lending and hiring. And also, AI lacks moral values, make decisions by disregarding the human values. But in the midst of this chaos, we have got something that is our savior, the way forward, ethical AI. Developers should be open about how AI works and what data is being introduced to it. Institutions and collaborations should collaborate to create ethical standards. And no matter how advanced AI gets, we need human oversight in every aspect, in every field, and everywhere. At last, I'm resting my words with a thought for us to ponder over whether it's AI and its ethical implications or AI and its ethical